What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need right up front, and if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to author your own private page using the brand new, exclusive, not even fully released yet, Start page in SharePoint where you can create pages and stuff. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
Okay, let's get that timer rolling. All right, y'all, first things first. All right, we're going to go ahead and click on that SharePoint logo. I know it doesn't look like an actual link, but it is. And you're going to get this new block. It says, probably try it now. But right now, because I use it, it says go to pages. I can see my drafted pages, whatever. But I can create a new blank page. Okay, I can go ahead and create this page. It's going to go ahead, let's call it page 3. And I'll add a bunch of stuff to it. And I get an option. I can say, you know what, publish page like to my private where I can share it with people just in my own OneDrive, or I can publish it to an actual site. There you go. Like, this is revolutionary, y'all. Okay. All right. I got to simmer down. This is mind blowing. All right. We're going to slow it down. We're going to simmer. And we're going to talk you through how awesome this new feature that you're about to get really is. As far as I can see, it's still I think under development. Don't even think it's really rolling out. It's in preview. So, if you want to make sure you have it, get on targeted release, and then just wait for it to drop to your tenant. But, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and just start over. I'm going to save this as a draft, okay? I'm going to save it as a draft. I'm going to walk you through all the ins and outs here because it is so doggone amazing. You have no idea. So, okay, let's go back to SharePoint Start page. This is the new Start page. You get this new block here. You can click on Go to Pages. You're going to get this whole new environment. You can create a new site if you got access, or you can create a blank page. Let's talk about this. When you create this blank page and save it as a draft, it's going to be saved in your very own private, personal, secluded, locked down OneDrive. Yes, it will be saved in your OneDrive for Business in your site pages library. You might be wondering, how do I get there? Well, maybe I'll show you in a different video or a different time. If you want to see how to get there so you can actually see it behind the scenes in site contents, let me know in the comments. You can either save it or publish it to your own private OneDrive, right off the gate, or right out the gate, you can publish it to a site that you have access to already. So let's go ahead and run through that scenario. So I'm going to let's create company news, okay? We'll create company news. There's all these cool templates too, which if you want to see those, each template in detail, let me know in the comments. So we got this basic newsletter here, and you can fill it in, do your thing, blah, blah, blah. We'll just go with the stocky stock. And then we have this publish button. Now, if I publish the page private, can be shared, it's going to publish itself to my OneDrive. So it's my own private page, and then I can share it out with people and grant them edit access or just view access, blah, 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 just like any other OneDrive file. Or if I want to get really fancy with it, I could go ahead and publish it right to a site to which I have access. So I just go ahead and pick from whatever site or slap in the URL. And if I have access, it will just add it to that site in the site pages library. Now, keep in mind, there are some gotchas here. If you do that, it will not show up in your if you publish it to a site from here, it will disappear from your OneDrive for Business private site pages and only appear in the target location. Otherwise, if you just publish it to your own OneDrive, it will be on your OneDrive. Or if you save as a draft, it will just stay in your OneDrive as a draft. And then when you go back to publish, you'll have these options to publish it, again, just privately where you can share it with people, or to a site. Keep in mind, if you publish it to where it's just for you, then I don't see any way to get it from your private site pages or your private OneDrive into a destination or another site besides your own OneDrive. So if you want to publish it from here to a site, you've got to do it right away. But if you save it, if you publish it to your own private OneDrive, I don't see a way of getting it to another site short of using like third-party software like ShareGate, #not-sponsored. I'm going to stop talking. I think this should get you on the right path to get you, creating these pages in your own environment and then deciding if you want to publish them out to other sites or share them with people. I think this is revolutionary. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, please like, share, subscribe. Remember, do the very best you can with what you got, and SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.